An awareness program on peaceful coexistence was organized by the Dorbar Shnong Jayao Pallun at Jayao Main Road on the 18th of December 2021. The headmen of all the 5 Dorbar Shnong that include Jayao Pedeng, Jayao Langsning, Jayao Lajdom, Jayao Lansona Lane and Jayao Shiap Lumpulon and members of the executive committee of the Dorbar Jayao Pallun were present during the event. The gathering also witnessed the presence of members of the Seng Longkme and Seng Samla of the area besides others. Speaking to reporters after the meeting, the headman of Jayao Shiap Lumpulon, PD Nongrum, informed that the intention of the awareness program was to educate the public, especially the youth, on peaceful coexistence after having witnessed a series of unfortunate incidents that had taken place from time to time in the area. Nongrum added that the Dorbar Shnong Jayao Pallun intends to take care of its residents and visitors alike so as to make sure that no untoward incident takes place in the entire locality of Jayao, which may cause harm to anyone who passes by or visits the area.
Pi kini kecing khot jong kini kecing elang bom tak sengi. Kalong abangi kum kedor pasang Jayao Pallun il adep ya song perkat kambah ya kecing long jingman jong kini kasenong jongi kini kiniat bana ki belalai. Balabun tan gini ki jing ya huri hura dak kecing syo priu bat pensau ki priu ki bayang ke lenti sengkin jong kini ka urusam jong kedor pasang Jayao Pallun nyem keren cuis wen yi keren baik tang ini ki Dorbar. Dorbar Shnong Jayao Pedeng, Jayao Langsning, Jayao Lajdom, Opor Lansona Lane, Jayao Shiap Lumpulon. Ikren betang ha ekani bentah kum kata ke Dorbar Shnong Jayao Pallun. Habang ilay syongkam nisgo bakalade ke por bangin mi syakmat. Ban ni thu ha ki nong syong shnong jong ke Dorbar Shnong Jayao Pallun ki ki belajar. Hapo kini ki pot kisam jong shnong katau. But bagani ke jing syo edat kalau pencong sir ya ki nong syong shnong but ya ki nong len nong wan ki bayat na kini gilenti sengken jong shnong jong ma kata hanin le syong meeting umtang ile panjing bit na DC bangi ong bangin pelong ya kini awareness program ka bangin kentu ken pham ya ki kon samla jongi ya ki nong syong shnong jongi bangin ong lada PUE kum gini jing syo jing dat ba pen sang ki breu sngau bha wat chu long ban chu pikai henre yami khmat ban ya dai kum ki tang ki breu ki besha syo ban ye kitu ba syo ru ban sneng ban krau ki ban ong se wat jule kum kitu ki ban pen sau ye ki breu normal kitu ki ba pi syo ru ki dei ki badon la ki kami ki kpa lada deu rong ba ucha syoru don lagi kon kiti hato umi na yeng ukpa ne usamla umi khmat ko samrkin reu no wan phai che yeng pade la jingam khmut khmat la toy kasnam na khle la ko kiti chat hato phi kum ki bayeng basem pinso kum no gen pai to no kinong isu lej panya chak itu ki lenti sete sejauh dari syaksyua ka yang kena manu basyo ki basyo ide umong ne ki dong ki sopot ki riu runar ki ba le ikini ki kam bat ngaken tu ya ki wat le syo kum ne namar ba da ka pa pile kum ne da pisyo bút nam ke senong kathau bút nam ke jat penriu bat ni ong ba usyo uni ne usyo utai ni ong be kelum ki riu ki basyo ye kini ki briu ni tentu sngo bha sange no kini ki kam chau briu tang kata ke jing temu jong ni ke Dorbar Shnong Jayao Pallun na tak sni long ban ye tho ye ki belajar ban tentu kan pham ye gitu ki baju ye syo briu man ong sange no ni syo briu ban kham tam menta usnam banwan kan long ka sispa snem jong ka jing rakhe jong ka ni ka hospital Robert Hospital ka Welsh Mission Hospital biong kan dap sispa snem bat kim bon ba ki briu ki banwan ki ba le sik bam dei na Shnong Jayao jong ki banwan na sikleng jong ka India bawan na siyapo na siyabariru iban wan ni ram ikani hospital ban penkriat na menta ka jingtap chispa snem